Hello friends, my name is Chetan Vadadia and today we are going to find out cube from 1 to 100 numbers in an easy way or you can say in just seconds. So how we can do that? Let me give you one example. 23 cube. So if I want to find out 3 cube is 27, 2 carry, 3 square 9, 2 is 18, 18 3 is 54 plus 2, 56, 5 carry, 2 square 4, 4 is a 12, 12 is a 36, 36 plus 5 41, 1 4 carry, 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 4 12. So this is the answer guys. You can see how easily I had find out cube of this. You can check this answer also. This is totally correct guys. So you can also do this and let me tell you how I had done this and how you can do this. I will solve some examples also. Let me tell you. For solving this guys, you need to use one identity that you had already learned I think. If you had not learned then you can learn this by heart. A plus B whole cube will give you A cube plus 3A square B plus 3AB square plus B cube. With the help of this identity, I had solved this 23 cube in just seconds, less than 30 seconds, I think. So you can check the timing also, guys. So how I have done? Let me tell you what you need to do. You just need to do whatever I am telling you. First, you need to do cube of the last term. So this is last term cube is 27. So I had written 7 at the last. Then root 2. So I had taken 2 as carry. Now what I have to do b square. So 3 square then multiply with 2 that is our a. 3 square that is 9 2s are 18 and 18 threes are because you can say see one 3 is also there. 18 threes are 54 and this carry was 2. 54 plus 2 carry was 2. So 54 plus 2 will give you 56. Again you will get 5 carry. Now after 2 5. So now you have to do this. 2 square that is 4. A square means 2 square. 4 threes are 12. 4 threes are 12. 12 multiply with 3. 12 and this 3. 12 threes are 36. 36 plus 5 41. So 1 will come here and 4 will go in carry. Now directly you need to do a cube means 2 cube. This is your a and this is your b guys. So 2 cube is 8. 8 plus carry is 4. So 12. So you can see how systematically and without wasting much time we can find out cube of any term with this. Let me give you one more example. Let me select 45. So if you want to do 45 cube directly, you are going to use this. First of all, b cube. So 5 cube will be 125. Take this 5 here. 12 carry. So this actually you have to do this in mind, but I'm showing you that's one. 5 12 carry. Now 5 square is 25. 25 fours are 100. 100 threes are 100 threes are will give you 300. 300 plus 12 312. 2 carry and 31. Sorry, 2 here and 31. Okay, 31. This is 30. Now this step also we had done. Now in this step 3ab means 4 square 16 16 5s are 80 and 83s are 83s are it's 240. 240 plus 31. 240 plus 31 means 271. 1 will come here and 27 will be your carry. You can say 4 cube. 4 for the 16 for the 64. 64 plus this will give you 91. So here you will get 91 guys. So this is the cube of 45. Now let me give you some more examples. 52 whole cube. So now I'm not going to show you the things directly. I am going to solve 2 cube 8. Now 2 square 4 5s are 20. 23s are 60. So 0 6 carry. Now 5 square 25. 25 2s are 50. 53s are 150. 150 plus 6 156, 15 carry. Now directly 5 cube is 125, 125 plus 15, so 140. So you can see easily I find out cube of it. So this way guys you can find out cube of any numbers from 1 to 100. Let me give you one more example, 61 only. Directly 1 cube will be 1. Now 1 square, 1 6 the 6 and 6 3 is 18, so 8 here, carry 1. Now 6 square, 36 ones are 36, 36 3s are 108 plus 1, 109, so 9 10 carry 6 cube is 216 plus 10 226, so 226 you can see. So easily you can find out cube of 1 to 100 numbers. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you so much.